Hi, I'm Christelle and welcome to another edition of E-Prime. Controversy, this time surrounding the Vybz Kartel Shenseea collaboration Lude, or is it a business deal gone wrong? The incarcerated DJ yesterday released a new version of the hit single titled Lude. However, fast-rising dancehall artist Shenseea was cut from the audio. Vybz Kartel posted the single on his Vivo page yesterday, bearing the description, "My song was never a collaboration." It is alleged that Vybz Kartel did not agree to the Ramesh Entertainment artist being on the track, which resulted in a feud between Kartel and So Unique Records in 2016. The dancehall song is now a solo by Vybz Kartel and has since been re-released, now trending on YouTube and sitting in the #1 spot. The single will be featured on Kartel's upcoming EP due later this year. Dre Tosh, grandson of Peter Tosh, is carrying the baton into a third generation of musical rebellion. The upcoming artist has declared his determination and drive to convey messages through his music with the aim of setting worldwide trends. His musical style is described as new age rebellious and is paying homage to his grandfather in numerous ways. The artist, working feverishly to take his place in the landscape, recently released a rendition of Peter Tosh's 1981 single, Coming In Hot. The new version is released on the Calibud music label and features Peter Tosh's vocals on the chorus, infused with Dre's militant voice in the verse. The legendary Bunny Wailer makes a cameo appearance in the video, which is set for release in May. Reggae artist Keznamdi is sending positive vibrations through his music. The artist's consistent and authentic essence is helping him make steady growth and gaining him worldwide recognition.
What I've achieved in like 3 years' time, most young artists take 7-10 years to achieve, we worked with some of the highlights along my journey is that we worked with Zoo, who is signed to Columbia Records. And at the time when we did our song As Crazy As It Is, he had the #1 record on the Billboard's dance charts. And As Crazy As It Is, the song what I did also hit the dance. I did hit the dance charts as well, and usually reggae artists never even see the like a day upon the charts. So that was a big accomplishment for us. We also been doing a lot of performing on some of the biggest platforms across the world. Like we perform on some of the biggest festivals in Europe and also in America.
Skyline Levels is his latest project. He shares with his fans on the global reception of his music and the details on other upcoming projects.
I just came off from a US tour. Skyline Levels Volume 1 is really is a picture in time, right now where I am as an artist right now, I spend countless nights and hours trying to perfect my craft, and we have a lot of music and we wanted to ensure that the fans and the supporters grow with me when we're dropping the music, so we had to drop something right now. And it's really an 8-track project, We worked with a lot of different producers. Me did put on the producer hat of the whole project itself. We're dropping the Volume 2 probably later this year.
Keznamdi, an advocate for reggae music, and has this one request.
One thing I hate is when people try to split up the music. Reggae and dancehall is the same thing. Dancehall is a space. Stop split up music and try to divide. Beenie Man and Bob Marley, them do the same genre of music. When you go out there in the world, are the same reggae music people love before.
And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Blessings.